How to check mention history on TikTok? TikTok has an activity center where you can find different activity records, including your mention history. So let me show you where to find it. First, open the TikTok app on your phone and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap Profile in the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner to open the menu. From here, select Activity Center. Inside the Activity Center, you'll see different options related to your TikTok activity. Look for Mention History and tap on it. Here, TikTok can show you the available history of activity where your account was mentioned, depending on the features and activity available on your account. So if you're trying to find out where you've been mentioned on TikTok and want to check your previous mention activity, this is the section you should look for. And that's how you can check your mention history on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more TikTok tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.